Are you looking for the best drones under $200? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holystone HS710. The Holystone HS710 stands out as a top-ranking camera drone designed with adults in mind, yet it's also accessible enough for the whole family to enjoy. Its key feature, a UHD 4K camera, offers users the ability to capture moments with incredible clarity and detail. Coupled with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees remotely adjustable structure, this drone broadens your horizons quite literally, making it ideal for expansive outdoor landscapes or detailed close-ups. The drone's 5 GHz FPV technology enhances image transmission, ensuring smooth and long-range capture of real-time video feeds. Intelligent flight features such as GPS tracking, follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest add a significant layer of automation to the HS710. These features allow the drone to fly autonomously, freeing your hands for other tasks and making it a great choice for creative filmmaking or leisurely aerial photography. Ease of use is a critical component of the HS710, making it a standout choice for beginners. Functions like altitude hold, smart return to home, emergency stop, and one key takeoff/landing make flying straightforward and worry-free, particularly for those new to drone piloting. The HS710 doesn't just fly well, it's built to maintain stability in a variety of conditions. The combination of GPS and GLONASS for positioning, along with optical flow positioning, allows the drone to hover with exceptional stability both indoors and outdoors. This triple stability guarantee is bolstered by powerful brushless motors which perform remarkably well even when faced with windy conditions. Durability and flight time are also commendable features. The drone's modular batteries are not only safe but also convenient, extending flight times up to 25 minutes, which is quite competitive in its class. Its portable and foldable design makes the HS710 incredibly travel-friendly, further enhanced by its lightweight build that exempts it from FAA registration, reducing travel burdens. Number 2. DJI Mini. The DJI Mini 4K is a standout model in the compact drone market, boasting advanced features that cater to both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Weighing just under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 4K is exempt from FAA registration and remote ID requirements for recreational use, making it an excellent choice for casual hobbyists and travelers who prefer a hassle-free start. The drone is equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera supported by a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring cinematic quality capture even in challenging lighting conditions like sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes. This setup promises crystal-clear footage with professional-grade stabilization. Designed to withstand winds up to 38 km/h and capable of maintaining stability in up to level 5 wind conditions, the DJI Mini 4K features brushless motors that allow for takeoffs at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. This robustness makes it suitable for diverse environments and weather conditions. The drone offers up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission with superior anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to explore and capture vast landscapes without losing clarity or connection. Depending on your needs, you can choose from 3 battery sets offering 31, 62, or 93 minutes of flight time. This flexibility ensures that you can plan your shoots without worrying about running out of power, enhancing your creative potential. The DJI Mini 4K is exceptionally beginner-friendly, supporting one-tap takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering. It also offers in-app tutorials and resources, helping new users quickly learn and master drone operation. The drone's intelligent quickshots modes, Helix, Drone, Rocket, Circle, and Boomerang allow for automatic capturing of dynamic, creative shots with just a few taps, making sophisticated aerial photography more accessible than ever. Number 3. RUKO U11 PRO. The RUKO U11 PRO is a drone that combines FAA compliance, advanced features, and user-friendly controls to offer an exciting and reliable flying experience for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The drone is capable of capturing stunning 4K videos and photos, making it ideal for users looking to create high-quality content for social media or personal use. However, it's important to note that the 4K experience is available when downloading data from an SD card and not for real-time image viewing. The upgraded remote controller offers a reliable connection and straightforward flying controls, enhancing the overall user experience. The GPS auto-return function adds an extra layer of safety by ensuring the drone returns to its starting point automatically if the connection is lost or the battery runs low. With 2 batteries included, the RUKO U11 PRO allows for extended flight sessions. Keeping both batteries charged and ready ensures continuous flying fun, with easy battery swaps to double your flight time. Users are advised to charge the batteries fully before each flight for optimal performance. The U11 Pro is designed to be user-friendly, making it a great choice for first-time drone users. Whether flying indoors or outdoors, the drone is easy to operate, and RUKO provides a user manual and quick guide to help new pilots start flying quickly. The automatic signal detection makes the initial setup and operation smooth and hassle-free. Number 4. Potensic ATOM SE. The Potensic ATOM SE is an innovative and lightweight drone that caters to both beginner and advanced pilots with its user-friendly features and robust performance. Weighing less than 249 grams, fold-up design allows it to fit comfortably in a jacket pocket, making it perfect for travel and quick aerial shoots. Equipped with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera featuring a Sony sensor, the ATOM SE captures sharp 12MP photos and smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Its exclusive Shake Vanish technology helps to stabilize images effectively, while the camera's wide 118 degrees FOV and adjustable angle, plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees, allow for versatile shooting angles and breathtaking aerial shots. The ATOM SE features the Surgefly flight control system, which includes beginner mode and 3 other flight modes: video, normal, and sport. These options provide a flexible flying experience that can grow with the pilot's skills. Additionally, its PixSync 2.0 technology supports up to 4 kilometers of stable HD video transmission, ensuring you remain connected and in control even at long distances. The drone's precise GPS functionality enhances its safety with an auto-return feature that activates when the drone loses signal or runs low on power. Additional flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight introduce creative ways to capture videos and photos, providing users with dynamic flying and filming options. Number 5. Loolinn Z6pro. The Loolinn Z6pro drone emerges as a lightweight and feature-rich option for both beginners and hobbyists looking for a reliable and easy-to-use aerial camera platform. Weighing just under 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, the Loolinn Z6pro is exceptionally lightweight, akin to the heft of a smartphone. This not only makes it highly portable but also exempts it from the need for a flyer's license, offering hassle-free enjoyment right out of the box. One of the most appealing features of the Z6 Pro is its extended flying time. With 2 batteries included, each offering approximately 25 minutes of flight time, users can enjoy up to 50 minutes of aerial exploration. This is significantly higher than many drones in its category, allowing more time for capturing footage without the constant need to land for battery swaps. The drone is equipped with an HD camera that supports 4K resolution photos and 2K videos when saving to an SD card. The adjustable camera angle enhances its versatility in shooting from various perspectives, making it ideal for capturing high-quality visuals for everything from everyday adventures to more professional uses like real estate photography or nature shots. Enhanced safety features set the Z6 Pro apart. Its advanced GPS functionality enables a reliable auto-return feature that activates when the drone's battery is low or if it loses signal. This drastically reduces the risk of losing the drone, ensuring it can return safely to its launch point without manual intervention.